Moving tips!
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. To pay for packing services or not to pay for packing services, that is the question. Here's another one. Do you want to have to replace a broken dish set or risk chipping your precious china while it's in the back of your moving van?
What happened? Did you make a big mess?
Broken household goods are top of the list when it comes to moving stressors. You have two packing options to avoid this calamity. Hire professional packers, either through your moving company or a third-party packing service, or do it yourself. Of course, a moving company or packing service can be pricey. So if you're more DIY inclined and your budget can't handle the cost of replacing a bunch of broken items but aren't sure how to pack your stuff safely, we've got your back.
Moving tips.
Packing paper. When you're moving, packing paper is a necessity. It's a simple material for wrapping and protecting everything from your favorite dish set to your prized superhero figurine collection. Pros: can be used to pack almost anything. Protects fragile items from scuffs or scratches. Is affordable. Cons: needs to be combined with styrofoam or bubble wrap. Plus, packing paper gets you great bang for your buck. Use crumpled up packing paper to fill empty space in your boxes. While packing paper is cheap, one downside is that it doesn't provide a whole lot of protection. That is why we recommend pairing it with other packing materials, like bubble wrap or styrofoam. Styrofoam and packing peanuts. In our testing, styrofoam and packing peanuts performed worse than any other packing material, in part because they weren't used alongside paper or bubble wrap. Pros: comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. Good for filling empty space. Cons: breaks easily. Hard to reuse. Not effective when used alone. Packing peanuts, which are just small pieces of styrofoam, are great at filling up empty spaces in boxes, but they should never be used alone to pad your belongings. Large pieces or bricks of styrofoam are great for cushioning your fragile items if you use them on all sides. Bubble wrap. Here's the thing. Bubble wrap is great, especially for wrapping up pictures, mirrors, and any other fragile items. Bubble wrap is best, though, when combined with other packing materials. Pros: pads box well. Protects fragile items if used with other packing materials. Fills empty space. Cons: gets pricey. We do not recommend using bubble wrap on its own. It doesn't pad objects tightly enough or do enough to prevent shifting. Clothing. Surprisingly, when we packed our plates and dishes, clothing worked the best of all four packing materials. Pros: is free. Kills two birds with one stone. Cons: takes up more space. Could ruin clothes. The only downside to using clothing is that it takes up more space in your box than other packing materials. While you're able to fit almost every plate and bowl in each box with other packing materials, you're able to pack only some of the dishes and half of the bowls when you pack with clothing. Conclusion: how you pack your household goods is just as important as you pack your belongings with. Most packing materials are most effective when used together. What are your favorite packing materials and methods? Drop us a comment and let us know. Don't forget to push the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our new videos. And as always, good luck with your move!
Moving tips.